Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Aubrey Organics, Honeysuckle Rose Shampoo, Moisture Intensive, Dry, 11 fluid ounces, 325 milliliters. Product Overview Description. Rose Mosqueta Rose Hip Seed and Argan Oils restores and hydrates 75% organic ingredients. Dry hair crafted by nature since 1967. Sulfate-free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free. Replenishing shampoo is formulated to rehydrate dry, brittle hair and leave it soft, shiny and easy to style. Lightly floral honeysuckle scent. Key ingredients: organic Rosa Mosqueta Rose Hip Seed and Argan Oils high in essential fatty acids and vitamin E, restore moisture and nutrients. Chrysanthemum Angelica and Magnolia Boost shine and soothe the scalp. Suggested use: shake well before using. Apply to wet hair, lather and rinse. Repeat. Follow with Honeysuckle Rose Conditioner. Other ingredients: aloe barbadensis leaf juice, sodium cocoamphoacetate, from coconut oil, oryza sativa, rice, extract, sodium cocoyl hydrolyzed soy protein, glycerin, sodium cocoyl isethionate, glyceryl caprylate, from vegetable oils, Rosa rubigienosa, Rosa Mosqueta Rose Hip, seed oil, Argania spinosa, argan, nut oil, Chrysanthemum sinensis flower extract, Angelica archangelica root extract, Magnolia biendiae bud, flower extract, Lanis ricaprophylium, honeysuckle, flower extract, Prunus amygdalus dulcis, sweet almond, oil, Macadamia integrifolia seed oil, Equisetum mall extract, horsetail, Tussilago farfara, colt's foot, leaf extract, Collegium officinalis flower extract, Melissia officinalis, balm mint, flower/leaf/stem extract, Phoniculum vulgare, fennel, seed extract, Chamomilla recutita, Matricaria, flower extract, chamomile, Humulus lupulus, hops, flower extract, linolenic acid, linoleic acid, Panax ginseng root extract, tocopherol, vitamin E, sodium methylcocyltarate, glyceryl undecillinate, from vegetable oils, guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride, sodium PCA, citric acid, Citrus grandis, grapefruit, extract, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, xanthan gum, natural fragrance. Certified organic. Made with certified organic ingredients. Sourced from essential oils, isolates and other national ingredients. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.